right, y'all, so I'm about to show y'all how I normally do how I recently started doing my slick backs for my natural hair when I'm doing a low bun. And yeah, it's really simple. It's literally just water, this Fenty hair gel. I like it because my hair does not flake. As you can see, my hair is a mess right now, but I had this hair full of gel yesterday and there's absolutely no flaking in it at all. So I'm gonna stick with what's working for me. I know if I was using Eco Styler, my hair would have had some flakes by now. When I say the whole day, it was flat, like nothing flaked, nothing was frizzy. And my hair is short now, so it going in a ponytail. Oh, this is a kind of cute style. This is kind of cute. If I like were to put like a little headband right here, even this. So this is basically my hair from just waking up. I did not sleep with a bonnet on because I have a satin pillowcase and I wanted to give my hair some time to breathe. So because I wore a ponytail, a bun, last night, I said, you know what? I need to allow my hair to breathe. And that's what I did. I literally slept. It was started off like this. And by the time I woke up, it's like this. But this is actually kind of cute. I might wear it like this tomorrow. A little scalp oil. I've been loving this scalp oil. I need to get another one. This is from Baskin Lather Scalp Stimulator Oil. I got it on TikTok Shop. And I think my hair likes it. It does not leave me super greasy, which I love. So show y'all what I do. Again, super easy. All I use is water sprayer, the Fenty Strong Coat Jelly type. Doesn't really, it has a little bit of a scent, but not really, but I've been using it, okay? And this wide brush that I got from Forever 21 literally the other day, because Forever 21 is closing, y'all. Do y'all know that? Forever 21s are closing indefinitely, like forever. So I got this little brush from there and it worked really good in my hair. Like my hair is not, look at that, no tangles, period. I love that. This thing is really good. I might actually get a second one so I can keep in this room and in the other room because it was literally only like $2. That, and then for my little bit of edges, I don't want to do too much edges. I'm going to use the Baskin Lather Edge Control. So these are the three things: water, jelly type, and edge control. And then I need to tie my hair down with my mom's. I tie my hair down with my mom's scarf. So I'm actually also going to record a little video for my reels and stuff. These are the two hair ties I use. I need to go buy some new hair ties that are like that don't pull your hair. I need to buy those because I don't know what happened to all of mine. I had some, but I'm gonna have a brunch day with my husband today, so I need to hurry up and start getting ready now anyways because we're gonna be leaving in an hour. So I'm gonna do something really simple, not too much makeup. My brows are done, my lashes are done. I'm just gonna do some skincare, some concealer, and call it a day. So for cream, face cream, I need to get some more of this. I've been using this little cream from Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream. It's very simple, but I need to get another one because this is done. And I like it because it's very simple. There's nothing left in here at all. Actually, I'm just gonna fill that little container up with my Cetaphil that I have in my bathroom. Like I said, the brows are already done. I'm just gonna do my concealer. All right, let me get started on the reel because I want to do a transition of looking like this without my makeup, and then the final one with my hair pulled back with my makeup, so it obviously looks different. Yeah. Always wipe your lens when you are recording content. Never start without cleaning that lens. I'm just gonna put it on my little tripod right here in the front. Come on, I need this clicker. I need to start getting more clickers as well because having one is just not ideal for me. And then I need to redo this vanity. I need to do a lot of things to show y'all while I'm waiting for the thing to connect. So my vanity's got some things going on. Got this towel I use to wipe my hands when I'm in between body oils and stuff. My brushes, I need to organize my brushes per set. So I want to have a full set of brushes in each cup. That way when I can use one set at a time, this is dirty, I move it off the vanity and then do the other one. So because like I have brushes here, I've got brushes back there. Like it's just not organized. I want to have a complete set. And I've got my everyday makeup up here, which I like having it up there, but it's also so bulky in that case. And that case is specifically for travel, so I don't know why I'm using it every day. I don't know. I need to figure it out, but I'm gonna figure it out later today because this is where I spend a lot of my time making content when I'm doing makeup and hair stuff. So it needs to be organized. It really does. I need to get a new chair because this little stool, I've been rocking it, but I've been almost falling. I need to get a chair with a back. That's gonna be my mission as well. Find a little vanity chair with a backing because sometimes my back be like hurting just a little bit. But anyways, let's get started. Let me make sure I'm in frame. I'm gonna show you how I go from this. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys at the same time. So let's just watch. So first thing first, I'm going to drench my hair with water. First things first, my hair loves water, which is something I recently discovered. So I'm going to drench my hair with water. I actually normally do that in the bathroom, so I'm standing up. So now my entire vanity is wet. But basically, you can see I literally drenched my hair with water. Okay, if it's not moving like this, it's not wet enough. The key is for your hair to be wet so you don't have to use as much product, at least for my hair. So the hair is wet, okay? And I also wet inside as well. Now, I wouldn't do this every day because your hair is wet and you're putting it in a ponytail, so it's technically not getting time to air dry. So last night when I took my hair out the ponytail, even late at night, it was like 10 p.m. and my hair was still wet. So be careful. Don't be doing this and your hair is wet and you're going to sleep with wet hair all the time. I'm not recommending that, but this is when you really want a really slick situation. Hold on. Much better. Next, I like to use a brush like this. This one I got from Forever 21. Yeah, the store that's closing down. It was on clearance. I got this. I was real skeptical, but baby, it's actually working. And I'm just gonna run that water all through the hair. And as you can see, I did this style yesterday and my hair is completely not tangled. Like there's no tangles at all. It's just literally like going through like butter, which I love, okay? Look at that. It's just so nice. I love it, I love it. Brush it through. I get a swivel chair with the back. That's what I need to get. All right, now that it is wet, I'm gonna take just a little bit of this gel. I don't need as much because this is the second day in a row I'm doing it. So I'm literally gonna just take this much, about 3 fingers full. I'm gonna rub it in between my hands and I'm going to just go on the perimeter of my head. Just like this. See how that oil just makes my scalp look so nice? Oh, I love that. Go back in with the brush, brush that gel through. Now I'm just gonna get my regular brush and I'm gonna actually start to mold it down. Now we actually just mold it into place and determine how low I want my bun. I want it pretty low because my hair is short. I want it to look the part. So I'm just gonna brush it into place. This literally takes me like 5 minutes to do. And again, because my hair is wet, it's so much easier to manage. I love it. Look at that. Just easy. I love this. Tie it into place. So I could leave it with this curly little situation, but I don't want to. I like it more when it's like a little tiny bun. It just does something to me. I don't know. It's just so cute. So I'm just going to twist it a little bit and then we're going to just literally make it into a little bun. So this last step is optional. I could definitely leave it without edges, but I like to do just a little swoopy swoop when I'm doing a slick back, not too much. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab just a little bit of that edge control. And we're just gonna do a tiniest little swoops. Tiniest little swoops. And I'm gonna bring it all the way into my hair so it doesn't look out of place now that the hair is already molded. Just to give my face a little bit of shape. I just love this. So nice. I always like to do a little bit of a sideburn because it's there anyways. I might as well shape it. I use the little comb side and just like comb it through to make sure everything stays flat. Look at how flat my hair looks right now. Now the directions on this particular edge control says to make sure your brush is wet, but because my hair is wet, I didn't wet my brush. But if you want this to work properly, make sure your brush is wet and then you go into it. It does make a difference, okay? So this is before we tie it down. You cannot have longevity in this style unless you tie it down. So go ahead and grab your mama's scarf and tie this thing down. And yes, I did take this from my mom. Don't tie it too tight. Next thing you know, you got a headache before you even get out of the house. Everything is nice and covered. I like to let it sit in here for a good 10 minutes. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup. Like I said, just a little bit, not too much. I need to get some more of this Tarte for sure. I'm gonna wear my glow screen because I did not, because I'm wearing yellow today, so I'm gonna wear glow. This is Glow Screen by Supergoop. I like to use this. It's like sunscreen with color. It literally is like sunscreen. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can really see what's going on here. All right, so we've got our Supergoop on. I'm gonna blend that in really nicely. That brush, I need to get more brushes because they are breaking. So again, this is not a foundation. This is a sunscreen with a glow factor. So it has like a tinted moisturizer, but it's not a foundation. Look, I just look like I'm glowing. And it may look crazy, but I promise you, once you do all the other stuff on top of it, you're gonna literally see the glow from within. Okay, so you see I have like a glow cast. Look at that. That edge is not, oh, I love this edge control. They need to give me a coupon code for y'all. Sharp Double Duty Beauty Concealer and Deep Honey. I need to get another one. This is literally almost done. And I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes, but we're doing like a no makeup look. It's like my little spring routine, my spring and summer. This is the e.l.f. Cameo. I need to get another one of these. I love this sponge. This is like one of my favorite sponges ever. Look at that, just so simple. And then everywhere else we're just gonna put powder. So yeah, you look way put together when you do your under eye. Just if you don't gotta do nothing else. If you do your eyebrows, actually if you do your eyebrows, your lashes, and your under eye, you look like you actually put yourself together really nicely every single time. And it does not take much. If I wasn't talking and filming, I would have been already done for sure. Just a little bit more concealer because on the sponge, just a little bit. And this is not to brighten, it's to conceal. So if it was for brightener, it would look way, way lighter than my skin tone. This is super close to my skin tone, so it's concealing, not brightening. I've been doing liquid blush a lot lately, but I'm not in the mood to be sitting here blending right now. I'm gonna use this one. I haven't used it in a while. Actually just used it. What am I talking about? I'm gonna use the one size. Even though I try to use this only for travel, I like the consistency of this, so I'm gonna get a big one. This is called Sweet Honey from One Size. I bought it obviously for travel, that's why it's small, and I've been using it here and I ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna buy another one. Just make sure I use my travel stuff for travel, so I don't have to sit there and like, it just, look at that. It just literally is so soft. Sweet Honey is that girl. This is MAC, Studio Fix, and NW55. All over the face. The chin. Some bronzer, MAC Rich Rose. This is my favorite little one. Some bronze. Just like that. I'm actually using an eyeshadow for blush. I wore it yesterday and it looked pretty good, so I'm gonna use this pretty. Look at that, pretty pink eyeshadow. Yeah, just a nice soft flush pink. Yeah. My brows a little bit. Boom. Ooh, I look so bronze and just, do y'all see the glow what I was talking about? That glow thing is so nice. It just does me so well. And it just makes you look so put together, and it's like it gives you like a healthy glow. Go under the eyes again. I'm trying to get into the habit of cleaning up my makeup as soon as I'm done with it. I've been using this lately, Rose Water Setting Spray by Maven Beauty. I try to always fan dry. Fan dry to me, it just makes it dry evenly and faster. So if you got somewhere to go, you want to make sure it's dry. So you want to make sure it's dry before you actually get from doing your makeup, because if it's dry and then you see it's like, okay, you lost something, like you lost some powder, you need some more, do this, do that. You want to make sure you're the one drying it instead of just waiting for it to dry and getting up. Because when you get up, you might see a little something you want to fix. And I can already tell because it's dry, I can see a lot of my blush now. I'm just going to go under my eye like this. I'm going to do a detailed video for y'all. This is not a detailed video. I'm just literally real simple, real cute, real bronze. Ooh, come on, skin. Y'all, take your vitamins, drink your water to do your skincare. You get these glows and then obviously get that glow serum. All right, lips, I'm gonna keep it real simple. BerryFae Beauty lip liner. Copy one. Shop my website, support a Black-owned makeup brand. Yes, ma'am. The way that it just glides on. Love it. Definitely my favorite pencil. Ooh, I have a new gloss that I made. I need to unbox that. This is Beauty. All right, so here's a look. Let's take off the hair. So I should probably put my outfit on so I can actually finish this. This yellow top that I got from Plato's Closet. It's originally a J. Crew top. Let's just plop that on real quick. Okay, so got the top on. You guys probably can't really see it. Y'all need to get Beauty lip gloss and my lip liner, because this is a beautiful lip combo right here. I need to make a video. I'm gonna take it off. Come on, hair. All right, so I need to fix my hairline just a little bit. Right here. And we're gonna go in with our bronzer brush just a little bit. If I wore foundation, it would be 10 times worse. So I'm glad. So here is the look. As you can see, the hair is as slick comes, okay? So slick. And when I tell you it's not going to move, I spent the whole day out, sun and everything, and my hair did not move. It is still wet, obviously, but when I say not a hair out of place, I don't know what it is about this new hair I have, but my hair stays down. Even when my hair was longer, it wasn't staying down. But then again, I wasn't using water. Water is the trick. When I used to do my pullback ponytails, my hair would all of these right here would be popping up, but that water is the trick. Water is the trick. So definitely drench your hair with water if your hair can support the water. I don't know what that means. Do I have low porosity or high porosity? Hey Siri, what porosity hair do I have if my hair loves water?
To unlock your iPhone first, you can manage medications in the Health app.
What are you talking about? That girl, why are you talking about medication? But anyways, here is that. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. That was
I need to hold the corner, and there's no one time, 'cause girl, you